Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm still using X7, my computer is still in the shop, but I just started playing around with maybe a more realistic looking flower. And I'm going to move this one out of the way. So the way you do it is take a star or even a polygon, and I'm not saying you'll ever make this flower, but I'm going to make it 22 points. And there are sharp points, so there's two ways you can do it. You can take the shape tool and move this out, or you can change the number of the points right here to like 7. The angle is basically what that is, the sharpness. But then we need to go and make it something thicker than a hairline, so we're going to make it 12 point. We're actually going to make it yellow. And then well, you know what, I'm going to keep it black till we smooth off the edges. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Scallop or Chamfer corners, and I'm going to go to 7, and look what it did. It kind of rounded my corners off. Now, maybe not enough or too much, depending on what you want to do. But then I'm going to go ahead and make it yellow, and I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. You have to do that when you're using the interactive fill tool. If you don't, it'll do the inside. So I'm going to put black here. I'm going to put a little bit more yellow, like right in here. Now I am going to Control D and make a duplicate of that, holding down the Shift key so it'll grow from the inside out. And if you notice that this is the same direction of the blend or the interactive fill tool, so we're going to go right here and we're going to go reverse it. So we've got the exact opposite. Now I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend it 500 times. And it gives it a kind of like a rounded effect. Now I put a yellow center, and I'm actually going to think about making a second video at some point to maybe even make this more look like lines in the petal. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.